Welcome to Speakora podcast channel. Speak English like a professional in just 30 days. Let's begin. You watch English videos every single day. You understand the words on the screen, but the moment someone speaks to you in real life, your mind goes blank. You start translating in your head, and by the time you find the words, the moment has already passed. Today, that stops. Welcome back to Speakora. I'm Adam, and this is day 1 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Every day, we're going to practice real conversation together, step by step, until speaking English feels natural instead of scary.
Hi, everyone. Honestly, I'm a little nervous today. 30 days feels like a lot, and I know that whenever I try to speak, I freeze up. I understand so much when I listen, but when it's my turn to talk, the words just disappear.
Luna, that's completely normal, and I promise you're not alone. Almost every learner feels exactly what you just described. Here's the good news, though. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up every day, speaking anyway, and letting the mistakes teach you. That's exactly what we're going to do together, starting right now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's keep it simple to start. Luna, how are you today?
I'm good.
That's a fine start, but in real conversation, we usually add a little more. Try this instead. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? It sounds warmer and more natural. Let's try it again. Luna, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. See how much better that flows? Now let me ask you something else. What did you have for breakfast this morning?
This morning, I eat toast and coffee.
Close. Since it already happened, we say, I ate toast and coffee. Let's practice that together. Repeat after me. I ate toast and coffee this morning.
I ate toast and coffee this morning.
Perfect. You just corrected a real mistake and fixed it on the spot. That's exactly how fluency grows. Now, Luna, do you feel nervous when you speak English with new people?
Yes, actually. Sometimes I know the words, but I worry about saying them wrong, so I just say quiet instead.
I hear that a lot, and I want you to remember something. Every fluent speaker you've ever admired made thousands of mistakes to get there. Mistakes aren't proof that you're failing. They're proof that you're practicing. So today, we speak anyway, mistakes and all.
Okay, that actually helps. I'll try.
That's all I ask. Now let's build a few more sentences together before we move into real longer conversation practice. Repeat after me. I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day.
I want to speak with confidence.
I want to speak with confidence.
I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
Beautiful. 3 strong sentences and you didn't hesitate once. That confidence
All right,
is going
Luna,
to keep
let's
building
go
as
deeper
we
now.
go.
I'm going to
All
ask
right,
you
Luna,
some real
now let's take this
questions, and I
further
want you
with
to
a
answer
real, longer
naturally,
conversation.
just like you would with a friend. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
So, Luna, why did you decide to start learning English?
Well, honestly, I decided to learn English because I want to travel and talk to people from different countries without feeling stuck. I also want to watch movies and shows without needing subtitles. And English is really important for my career, too, so there are a lot of reasons.
Those are fantastic reasons, and they're going to keep you motivated on the hard days. Have you ever traveled somewhere you needed to speak English?
Not yet, but I really want to visit London one day. I've heard the city is beautiful and full of history.
I've actually been to London, and it really is incredible. Friendly people, great food, and so much to see. But here's the thing. The moment you land, you're speaking English everywhere. At the airport, the hotel, restaurants, taxis. That's exactly why we're building this habit now.
That makes sense. Right now, I understand almost everything I hear, but when it's my turn to speak, I get nervous and I slow down because I'm translating in my head first.
That's the most common stage learners go through, and I promise it changes. The more you speak, the less you translate. Eventually, your brain starts thinking in English directly. It takes consistent practice, but it does happen.
I really hope so. What should I focus on every day to get there faster?
Here's my honest advice. First, listen to English daily, even in the background. Second, speak out loud every day, even alone, even if it feels silly. Third, stop worrying about perfect grammar while speaking. Focus on getting your message across. And fourth, we'll practice something called shadowing today, where you repeat a sentence right after hearing it.
Okay, listen daily, speak out loud, don't stress grammar, and shadowing. Got it.
Exactly. And remember, fluency isn't about sounding perfect, it's about communicating comfortably, even with small mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too.
That really helps me relax a little. Thank you, Adam.
Anytime. Now let's put this into real situations. I'll play different roles and you respond naturally. First up, ordering coffee at a cafe.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good afternoon. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a medium coffee, please?
Of course. Anything else with that?
Yes, could I also get a small blueberry muffin?
Great choice. That'll be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Perfectly natural, Luna. Polite, clear, and confident. Now, let's try something different. This time, I'm your coworker and we're catching up before a meeting. Hey, Luna, it's been a while. How have things been going?
Hi, things have been good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty busy, but I can't complain. So what have you been working on lately?
Actually, I've been focusing on improving my English every day. I just started a 30-day speaking challenge.
That's awesome. How's it going so far?
It's going well. I was nervous at the start, but I'm already feeling a bit more confident.
That's great to hear. Keep pushing through it. Wonderful job there, Luna. You handled past tense, present perfect, and casual conversation naturally without stopping to think. That's real progress happening in real time. Now let's try one more. Asking a stranger for directions. Yes, how can I help you?
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the nearest pharmacy. Could you help me?
Sure thing. Go straight ahead for 1 block, then turn right. It'll be right there on your left.
Okay, straight ahead, then turn right.
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Have a good one. Excellent, Luna. You asked clearly, confirmed the directions, and thanked them properly. That's a complete, real-world interaction, and you handled it smoothly.
Thank you, Adam. Honestly, these situations feel like things I could actually use tomorrow, not just practice sentences.
That's exactly the goal. Every scenario we just did is something you'll run into in real life. Now, let's slow things down and lock these patterns into your memory with some focused repetition.
Okay, Luna, this next part is all about repetition. I'm going to say a sentence and I want you to repeat it exactly. Keep your voice clear and confident. Ready?
Yes, ready.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I speak with confidence.
I speak with confidence.
I understand more every day.
I understand more every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I listen carefully to native speakers.
I listen carefully to native speakers.
I practice speaking out loud.
I practice speaking out loud.
I can order food at a restaurant.
I can order food at a restaurant.
I can ask for directions.
I can ask for directions.
I enjoy learning something new every day.
I enjoy learning something new every day.
I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Fantastic, Luna. That's 18 sentences repeated clearly and confidently. Now let's build your vocabulary with 8 words you'll use constantly.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Word 1, practice. Practice means doing something repeatedly to improve. For example, I practice English every morning. Luna, can you use it in your own sentence?
I practice speaking English with my sister every evening.
Perfect. Word 2, improve. Improve means to get better at something. For example, I want to improve my pronunciation. Your turn.
I'm trying to improve my listening skills by watching the news.
Excellent. Word 3, confident. Confident means believing in yourself without fear. For example, I feel confident answering questions now. Luna?
I wasn't confident before, but I'm feeling more confident every single day.
Beautifully said. Word 4, fluent. Fluent means speaking smoothly and naturally. For example, my goal is to become fluent this year. Try it.
I'm not fluent yet, but I can already see myself improving.
That's exactly the mindset that gets people there. Word 5, mistake. A mistake is simply an error, and everyone makes them. For example, don't be afraid of making a mistake. Your turn.
I made a mistake earlier, but I corrected it right away.
Great example. Word 6, repeat. Repeat means to say something again. For example, could you repeat that question, Luna?
I repeat new words several times so I remember them better.
Perfect usage. Word 7, conversation. A conversation is when two or more people talk together. For example, I had a great conversation today. Your turn.
I'd love to have more conversations with native English speakers.
Wonderful goal. And word 8, challenge. A challenge is something difficult but rewarding. For example, this 30-day challenge is helping me grow. Luna?
This challenge is tough, but I'm actually enjoying every part of it.
That's the exact spirit that gets people to day 30. You now know 8 words that you'll hear and use constantly in everyday English. Let's put everything together now with a quick recap and a challenge for after this video. All right, Luna, quiz time. 5 quick questions, just answer naturally. Ready?
Ready.
Question 1. What do you do every morning to practice English?
Every morning, I listen to a short podcast and repeat a few sentences out loud before breakfast.
Great answer. Question 2. Why did you start this 30-day challenge?
I started it because I wanted to stop feeling nervous every time I speak and actually build real confidence.
Perfect. Question 3. How do you feel differently now compared to the start of today's lesson?
At the beginning, I felt stiff and unsure, but now I feel calmer and the sentences came out much more naturally.
Exactly what I wanted to hear. Question 4. Which part of today helped you the most?
Honestly, the role-play situations helped the most because they felt like things I'll actually use tomorrow.
Great pick. Last question. What will you do after this video ends?
After this, I'll practice today's vocabulary words again and speak 10 sentences out loud on my own.
Beautifully answered, every single one. Now, before we wrap up, 5 tips to help you speak more easily every day. Tip 1. Speak every day, even if it's just 5 minutes talking to yourself. Tip 2. Stop translating in your head. Let your brain start thinking directly in English. Tip 3. Treat mistakes as teachers, not enemies. They're proof you're practicing. Tip 4. Listen actively. Don't just hear words, repeat them and notice their meaning. Tip 5. Be patient. Fluency builds through consistency, not speed.
Those are really practical. Honestly, today I feel proud of myself. I corrected real mistakes, I got through 3 role-play situations, and I actually said sentences out loud without freezing up like I usually do.
You should be proud because that's real progress. Let's recap quickly. First, we practiced natural greetings and warm-up questions. Second, we had an extended conversation covering past tense and personal opinions. Third, we role-played ordering coffee, a coworker chat, and asking for directions. Fourth, we repeated 18 key sentences to build muscle memory. And fifth, we learned 8 vocabulary words you'll use constantly.
That's honestly a lot for one day, and it didn't even feel overwhelming.
That's exactly the point. Small, steady steps. If you found today helpful, give this a like. It genuinely helps this show reach more learners like you. And if you want to stay with us for the full 30 days, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 2.
And here's your homework. After this video, say 10 sentences out loud about your day, your goals, anything at all. Just speak.
Also, drop 1 English sentence in the comments below. We read every single one and we'll cheer you on.
We're building this together, one day at a time.
Exactly, Luna. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, everyone.